Northeast is undoubtedly a box of treasure, containing gems and valuable stones of various forms and colors. Each of the seven sisters in the Northeast pocket offers unique experience for travelers. Unimaginable landscapes, hidden waterfalls, and high altitude lakes overlooking vast valleys. Discerning travelers who are always on the lookout for raw experiences must have surely come across photographs of Zuko Valley, an idyllic destination in Nagaland. Zuko Valley is truly a nature wonder and a hidden gem, waiting to be discovered by the kinds whose soul wander in search of beauty amidst the wild. So, in this series, I'm going to take you in a virtual travel experience to extreme east part of India. Apart from its scenic setting and natural charm, Zuko Valley has taken a bold step. The northern state of Nagaland has set a fine example to our nation by completely banning the use of plastic in the Zuko Valley and taking a step further in preserving our precious environment. The Southern Angami Youth Organization has pledged to protect the eco-friendly environment in and around the Zuko Valley and has officially declared it as a plastic-free zone in the country. Pulling off a major cleanliness drive with much enthusiasm, the entire area has been thoroughly cleansed of any plastic material that had been previously choking the natural appeal of the Zuko Valley. Not to mention the sore sight that the tourists had to endure because of the reckless accumulation of waste. We salute such a prompt action that has stirred up a green revolution to inspire the whole world.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon.